Keeping up with the latest trends and training is key because the investments and insurance have become more complex. Regulators are watchful and clients more willing to sue. Carte Academy was built to help advisors to appreciate the risk and build a roadmap towards managing that risk. Our goal is that they gain a new outlook, new strategies, and renewed commitment towards building a compliant business. We hope that our advisors who visit Carte Academy will gain a new perspective on the roles and responsibilities and have the right tools to minimize the risk. Have you heard the expression, "it's not about basketball"? Meaning winning games and honors? Equipping a team compounds over time. And here at Carte, we wanted to provide the necessary rules and tools at the right time, because it's not just the right thing to do, but because we care. Knowledge is power. Advisors who keep up with the right knowledge can grow their business safely.